Today I'm making a raspberry cream pie. First I'm going to make the raspberry topping, so in a pot I have 12 ounces of raspberries. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar and cook this on medium heat until the raspberries are broken down. Once the raspberries are broken down, right here I have a cornstarch slurry, so I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 3 tablespoons of cold water, and I mix that up until it was combined, and now I'm going to add it to the raspberries and then mix this up until it thickens and then take it off the heat. Next, I'm going to make the crust for the pie, so in a bowl I have 1½ sleeves of crushed up chocolate graham crackers. Next, I have 1 stick of melted butter. Mix that up until it's combined. Add the crust into a 9-inch pie plate and press it in, and then bake this at 350 for 12 minutes. Next, I'm going to make the cream filling, so in a large bowl I have 1½ cups of heavy cream. Next, I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar, then add 1/4 cup of whipped cream cheese. Next, add a half a cup of marshmallow cream. Mix that up until it's fluffy and thick. Once the crust is done and cooled, add the cream filling and spread that out. Then add the cooled raspberry topping. At first I spread it out and then I took a toothpick to swirl it in. Lastly, I placed the raspberry cream pie in the fridge for 3 hours before serving.